It may be a little longer before Austin officers, some facing criminal charges, are going to have their day in court. There may be a delay for some lawsuits related in the 2020 racial injustice protests.
The judge overseeing cases against 4 of the 19 officers wants to be recused. Daniel Marine tells us why.
With her signature at the bottom of these court documents, Travis County District Judge Julie Kusurik says she is removing herself from the cases against 4 of the Austin police officers charged with harming protesters during the 2020 racial injustice demonstrations. The voluntary recusal comes a day after a court filing by District Attorney Jose Garza. That filing claims Judge Kusurik told one of the DA's staff members that she believed the prosecution of the officers came as the result of a politically motivated campaign from Garza, saying, quote, she enjoyed a good relationship with law enforcement in Travis County. In a statement to KXAN, Judge Kusurik says her perception of the discussion, quote, somewhat differs, adding, quote, I am recusing myself not because I have a bias or prejudice against the state, but rather to ensure public confidence in the integrity and impartiality of the judiciary.
I honestly am shocked by it.
Steve Tolan, defense attorney for one of the officers, says he has a hard time believing what the DA's staff member is alleging.
I understand why she recused herself, but I'm disappointed in it just by what the state did and how they characterized it, because I don't believe that's what happened.
The DA's office said it is not providing any comments at this time. Former Travis County Judge Charlie Bayard says, being on the bench himself in the past, he understands Kusurik's decision.
I think that Judge Kusurik took the cautious route of just going ahead and being confronted with this issue and saying, I'm going to take any question away from this and remove myself and let the cases proceed through the normal process of the criminal justice system.
Daniel Marin, KXAN News.
Thank you, Daniel. In May of 2021, DA Garza told KXAN one of his goals in office was to hold law enforcement officers accountable if they break the law. Now, former Judge Bayard that you saw there says he thinks the cases for the 19 indicted officers could take years to play out in court. As for who will preside over Judge Kusurik's cases, that will be up to a regional presiding judge.